Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Hey, Alicia and Kenny from the first state, Delaware. Hey there. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, guys. What's going on? Well, here we are at the start of good old London session. Hopefully, we have a little bit better week with more, more movement, or should I say, a little bit cleaner movement than yesterday, last week. Anyway, let's go down real quick. And I was checking the higher time frames. Nothing particular here, but I was just checking the 15-minute chart. Morning, Mihails. There's some relative equal highs here. Almost, not too perfect, but we have a nice top at the 15th of April on the Nasdaq, and also Friday high was very close to that high. It's almost like 3 points, but that's not the case. That's not the point that I wanted to share. We are inside a 15-minute fair value gap here. So we go down to the 5-minute. We can see that we also have a fair value gap. Real close here. Possible area of potential liquidity target up there. I'm just going to put it to a gray area right there. So this is the 5-minute. Why is it not? Why is the live sub count is not updating? It's not updating. Why not? Why not? So that's what we're looking at. Okay, never mind. Never mind. No, good morning. Hey there. So the 5-minute gap is still up there, and on ES, it looks like similar case, similar scenario is happening on the 15-minute. Oh, the dog is barking again. That's nice. That's bullish sign. So that means that we have a 15-minute fair value gap on ES, and Nasdaq is so far is heading to that 314 5-minute fair value gap. You know, that's all that we see right now. Joey, hey there. Welcome, guys, and welcome everyone who just jumping in. Please push the like button, also subscribe if you haven't already. Today, I think, is the last day to grab your 90% option 2 accounts from BULENOX. Also, I think today is the last day or last few hours to grab the TOPSTEP X for $19. Good morning, Erkan. $18 for a BULENOX option to end of day trailing account. So that's also a very, very good deal. And go check out the others too. All right. That's like 14 points and no displacement so far. Small liquidity void here on the 1 minute. On the micro, almost, yeah, on the mini as well. Not the best price action so far, but we are still ahead of London. It starts at 1475, so I'm just gonna put a marker here. 1475. Oh, I have to update my balance here. There. 1475. All right. So that's a 5-minute gap. 5-minute fair value gap. All right. I'll be buying 5 more. Nice one. Or less than 100. Cool, Alicia. That's awesome. That's awesome. Please, if you can, click on my link before you purchase. It only works on links. I mean, TOPSTEP doesn't have a code. You know, TOPSTEP X is the code, but click the link first before you purchase. All right. Let's see. Is there going to be a structure shift? Maybe. Could be. Could be. Asia lows. Look at this. On the 1 minute, we have an up close candle with a displacement down here at 265. That's a potential target. How does it look like on the 5 minute? Look at this. So Sunday. It was right here. I like this gap down here. Didn't really spoke about the sell side liquidity area here, but I do like this gap. Let me put a marker right there. Should be going. Thank you, Alicia. Thank you, Alicia. So, yeah, I like the area at 265. Definitely a place that we can visit. So far, this range, well, in the past 1 hour is around 10 points. So no entry here, but I like down. I like this area down there. I might going to put a fair value gap marker here, right there. Okay, and that starts at, what's the coordinate? The high is at 68.75. That could be a target. 68.75. All right. These are the levels that I like. Good morning, DX Wealth. Well, trading so far it's okay. Unfortunately, last week I had a MyFunded Futures funded account I wanted to proudly present to you guys, but I've blown it. It has been blown, so I'm still working to get it funded at MyFunded Futures, but I still have funded accounts with BULENOX, Apex, TOPSTEP, and the others. But I'm gonna redo the MyFunded Futures account, that's for sure. Thank you, Erkan. It was a spontaneous video. We were just, looking around the city. It's actually not even the nicest spot where we were. So we were just walking around. It's not my city actually. I mean, it's just the capital. I don't live in Budapest, but we went up there and just taking some walks. And I thought, why not? Let's put out something to the new vlog series. On a break for the rest of the year from trading. Really? How's that? How's that, DX Wealth? too much emotions or struggles maybe or whatever. You don't have to talk about it if you don't want to, but you know, when somebody tells me to take a break, I mean that he or she takes a break from trading, I mean, it's understandable. Trading is hard, but never give up, you know. Why don't listen to the video I sent here? Oh yeah, I'm going to. There's so many information, Erkan. I'm going to look into many things. I'm studying in the background, really. I do. I do. Zabak, hey. Oslo? No, not yet, not yet. Hopefully we'll get there. I do like these places. I heard that Norway is beautiful as well. So like 10-15 years ago, I was not that kind of person who really wanted to go traveling all around the world, but now I've changed so much that if I would have and I will the money for it, then I have to visit all these places. So I want to go. I want to go. I'm liking their TV shows on Netflix. Oh, really? My girlfriend, she's watching Netflix TV shows. I'm not really watching Netflix nowadays too much, but she's all over the place about these TV series with other countries. Kenny, I'm $260 away from passing a TOPSTEP combine. Nice. I believe it's real tough once inside 500. It is. And just letting you know, I blown not one, not two, but I think it happened to me like 3 times, maybe 4. 3 times, that's for sure. When once I was $2 or $3, so not 20 or 30, $2 or $3 away from passing it. And of course, the next trade I took immediately went against me, and it was all downhill from there. Revenge trading, you know, over leveraging, boom, blown up the account. The other time I was $20 and $80 away from passing evaluation account, and it was a joke. I was so close, and I got frustrated, and that's what happened. Good morning, Dark Cloud, and EMH. Good morning. It's tough. Actually, it's not. It should not be tough. Just, you know, your mindset plays tricks on you. Like, you think it's the end of the world if you're so close, and maybe you lose a trade. So you're $100 from passing the account, and you lose the next trade, and now all of a sudden you're down to, you know, $200 or $300 to pass the account. But it's not the end of the world, and I took it as the end of the world, and I made stupid things. Yo, Ragat, good morning. Thank you, Dark Cloud. Can you promise us to trade no more than 5 micros only instead of minis? You know what? Southside Player Crypto, 5 micros, right? No more than 5 micros. I don't know if I can make that promise. I wish I could, and I'm just being honest. Oh, you can't paste the link, but I think I saved it somewhere in my. But just a second. So, Southside Player Crypto, I can't promise, but I will do my best. I will do my best. All right. That's all I trade is micros. Yeah. Camille, hey there. Good to see you, Camille. How you doing, Camille? Is half minute safe? Yes, yes, Zabak. I agree. I agree. It's a mindset video. Yeah. Erkan, you know what? Just for safety, to let me find it. Now you should be able to post it. Just post it and I will save it. Okay. You can post it again if you find it, because I know I have so many links saved. I have to go through it, but if you post it again, I will update it once more. There. Oh, thank you. All right. Great. I will look into that. Okay. I opened it and I will save it for later. Okay, I'll watch it for later. Let's see what's happening until we're waiting. No displacement yet. Maybe a short down to 283. Could be. Let's see the 1 minute chart. You know, we have these lows at 250 and swing low up there at 273, and we have this huge gap here. Well, not huge, but you know, comparing that, this is just a early London session. Still something to look at. Sizing down, exactly. Sizing down. That should be the goal ultimately. That's the way we should be doing it. Okay. You know, the London session, I mean, during the London session, there's not too many things that we can go for. I mean, usually we have one or two moves, right? So not too many, too much liquidity or targets. And we just have to figure out that one or two move. Korean shows are good too. Oh. Okay. I heard about what was it? Was it the television series when they oh, that was a French movie, sorry. Yeah. The Squid Game. I watched the Squid Game. It was interesting. And yeah, some other Netflix series. Yeah. Let's see what's going on. Push the like button, guys, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I think I might be able to do it today. I was behind schedule. I'm gonna update the application. We're gonna do a giveaway, okay, but not right now. I'm gonna update it today. I'm gonna post the link for the New York session and tomorrow London. I just have to update some stuff, and we'll do another giveaway. All right. So stay tuned, subscribe, and we will have some fun stuff. And still, I'm not. I don't know actually if it's still there, but as far as I checked, the coupons are still active with BULENOX, only for a few hours. For the $18, just saying. $18 for a 50K end of day evaluation account. And TOPSTEP is also active only for a few hours today. To enter TOPSTEP X for $19. Not much is happening. I think it's going to end today. I'm not sure about the exact hour. They said it's until the 13th of May. So that can happen sometime during the New York session. They are changing the code very often, very frequently. So I'm guessing that they're going to change the code today, sometime the New York Open. So yeah, maybe it's valid until the end of the PM session. I don't know, but that's what they said until today. So at least for another 6-8 hours, whatever, it should be valid. I thought that it's gonna be over yesterday, but it's still valid. I checked it, I think. You can check it out too, but before the stream I checked it, it was still valid, although the last time they did the same and it was not valid. Yeah, and it's option 2 accounts. Again, the codes are TOM50 for the 50K, TOM100 for the 100K, and TOM150 for the 150K. But it's not. It's only 90% on the 50K account. The 100K account is 70% or 75, 70 or 75. I don't know. But $18 for an end of day trailing account. The only thing is that you have a daily stop out level of $1,100, and you can trade with 2 micros or 2 minis and 20 micros. And we have a daily stop out of $1,100, which is just a soft breach. You're not losing the account. You're just stopped out for. Basically, you get a TOPSTEP account for $1 less than TOPSTEP. I think they want to compete with them. All right. Let me do a quickie phone call. All right. TOPSTEP. Well, it's hard to say which is my favorite. On my TOPSTEP account, I have a funded account with them, which doesn't look all that exciting. I have $1,154. I haven't really traded my funded account. I have another one which I haven't traded, but this one I'm willing to share. I like TOPSTEP. I made technically most of my payouts from TOPSTEP, so I have no issue with them. I would say that my favorite right now, if I if I have to, you know, compare all the small details, are definitely my funded futures and TOPSTEP, between these two, and Apex. So these are the three. Sorry, BULENOX is also I like, because very good customer service. Did not reach a payout yet, but I know many others have, and they are paying out people. It's a smaller company, but very flexible, very good. This week I will start to trade with Take Profit Trader. You have a link down there. Still 40% off and no activation fee. There's a link down there in the description. Take Profit Trader, one of my goals with Take Profit Trader is, of course, to get funded and build up the account to a payout level. And the payout policy is just awesome. Once you reach that level to get that payout, it would be like a cash machine. You can request the payout any day. Any day. That's it. You don't have to wait for anything. You request the payout. I checked it with customer support. You click on withdrawal, and they're going to deduct the amount immediately, and they're going to send it in the same day. That's their best thing. Gary Will, hey there. I'm so happy to see you and me back in stride again. Yeah. Hey, the roll above, Master Tom. How the heck are you? I am okay. I'm fine. Doing all right. I'm gonna be making the new recap videos. Maybe not daily, but as promised, I want to get to a payout, as I said in the new video. Most likely by the end of the next month. It would be great to have at least one payout from any of these prop firms, but I'm going to be building these multiple accounts. So we are on track, and I was reading over the weekend. I was mentally trying to recharge, and I was meditating. Actually, I was also meditating, and I thought that, okay, I just cannot slow down. My goal is to have at least 1 month in the second half of the year where I make at least between $4,000 to $5,000 or above payouts in 1 month from these prop firms. For me, that would be a giant, giant leap to move forward. And I'm gonna focus on that one. I'm gonna definitely focus. I'm not gonna force it. I'm gonna take small steps. The way I'm thinking of it is that building up the cushion for all these prop firms, the funded accounts, and take out those $1,000 payouts from each and every funded account. And I should be able to take them in a period of 30 days when all the accounts are at that level. So that's a goal. I want to do it. Hey, Meshapeti, hey there. I will, Erkan, I will. I am definitely. Mexican will, okay, all right. You convince me. New week, new hopes. Exactly. Okay, Erkan, this is going to be my homework. You can ask me about it tomorrow, and I'm going to watch the video. All right? You can ask me all about it. You can ask me all about it tomorrow. Currently, I wish I could tell you some good trades, but I think, somebody still pulled the plug on Nasdaq on this morning, and I don't see anything specific. Right now, we have the 300 level. These other levels are fair value gaps, the 268 and the 314. I like this small displacement. Actually, it's not that bad. I do like it. We're very close to 314 up there. But so far, nothing. Hey, Francis. Yeah, it's annoying, like when it turned off like this. How you doing, Francis, and everyone? So I was asking the artificial intelligence over the weekend that where's the Nasdaq gonna go, but it wasn't able to provide me an answer. But it is what it is. Trader G, good morning. Hey there. How is everybody doing on this beautiful morning? Doing great. Monday is here. London session is here. I'm happy. The weekend was okay. As you see it on the video I uploaded. It was okay. We took a walk in Budapest. I'm not living in Budapest, just saying. We just went up there and took some walks. Did a little bit of shopping. Nothing special. Just bought some clothes. And drove around the city a little bit. Going to contract short, Camille, you have the balls. You have the balls to go short here. I wish you good luck. So, spend the payouts. I wish. I wish. No. I wish I would have. Actually, to be honest with you guys, I only bought one shirt. My girlfriend, she bought like 5 clothes. And I only bought one shirt. That's it. Typical. Yeah. Yeah. And she was trying on like 20 or 25 clothes, you know, in the shop. Like I was like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna sit down. And finally we finished. Stuck in a trade. Good morning, 100 lot. No, not yet. This is just tea right here. Actually, this is iced tea right now, sugar free, no sugar, just iced tea with lemon. No coffee yet. Actually, I had coffee yesterday on the weekend, and I'm thinking to have another coffee maybe very soon. Password 10? What does that mean? I think I'm gonna go for a coffee. Once in the summer, we were in Netherlands. It took me a whole day to buy one decent t-shirt while I had to carry her bags. Oh, hey, listen, Francis. That was the typical situation I had on Saturday. That was like there's an outlet center in Budapest. I think if some of you guys from Hungary are here, you know what I'm talking about. Maybe there's the Premier Outlet Center in Budapest. It's called. Many stores packed in there, and the prices are not too much. Some stores sell clothes a little bit lower. That's why it's an outlet. And I was just carrying the bags all around the place and sitting on the bench like, oh my, this is gonna be a long day. Let's have a great week. Yeah, let's have a great week. And I was just having one shirt. That's all I bought. Well, it's always in the air, the immigration problem. I mean, you know, it's pretty much all about politics. Without going too much deeper into politics, but I can say that you know, our government doesn't really support the thing to open the borders for immigrants, but on the other side, you know, they're having immigrants in the factories, which I have technically for my life it has no issue, or my life is not affecting anything, but it's a little bit it's a two-sided thing. I don't know what they're doing really. It's mostly, you can see this thing on Budapest in the capital, and some cities around, I mean, around the countryside. But it's interesting because, you know, the prime minister is against migration, but on the other side they are having workers from the Philippines, from China, with buses, and they are giving out houses for workers. And I'm not against anyone or anything. So if they can work here and they want to work here, okay. But it's interesting. Thousands of workers coming in with a working visa, you know, with a working visa to work in factories. But on the other side, in the television, our prime minister is saying that he is not allowing migration. I don't know. So it's interesting. That's it. All right, let's see what's going on. Still no structure shift. I feel like we could go for that 5-minute gap. Let me show you. It's up there. Can still go for it. What is the most important economic sector in Hungary? Well, you know, maybe if you would ask this like 30 years ago, I would have said that, you know, the farming industry, you know, making produce was really good back in the days. But right now, well, every company and the most valuable companies are centered in the capital, just like every other country, of course. But we are a small country. Hungary is a small country, so everybody is centered around Budapest at the capital, and the smaller cities, especially the ones that are far from the capital, are pretty much getting well, poor. There's no other word for it. So the most strongest economical sector, I would say the IT sector is pretty strong in Hungary. Good programmers, good computer scientists, if there's a word like that. So I was reading the other week a magazine that was talking about that very good companies are investing in Budapest, and they're searching for people from the IT sector because it's a good investment. Otherwise, I don't know. Maybe they want to do something about tourism, but I think tourism is it's getting, you know, it's getting more and more expensive to get to go on a holiday for us Hungarians in the country. Prices are definitely rising sky high in tourism as well. But good morning, David. Good morning. Anyway. What is happening? Gangs and crime in Hungary. Well, there are gangs. I think these gangs are also centered in the capital, and most of these things. I mean, really. I mean, on the countryside, they're very. I mean, every people is very friendly and especially on the countryside, people like the tourists, and there's many very friendly people to take care of tourists and welcoming people. But unfortunately, yes, there is a side of Budapest which is a little bit, could be a little bit, I'm not saying darker, but I don't know the exact word for it. My problem is that at some places at the center of the city where there's used to be so clean and so nice, there's a lot of litter or garbage, you know, on the street. It's very dirty. And it was not used to be like that. A lot of garbage on the streets. They're not cleaning the streets that much as they used to. And yeah. Guys, Nasdaq is officially not doing anything. I wish I could say we're in a trade, but we're not. Or we can do something, but there's just, you know, nothing we can do. So we're waiting. Crude oil is moving. Let's see. CL. Okay. There's some movement here. Maybe I should trade crude oil sometimes. It dropped quite a bit, I think, from last week, right? Oh yeah. There was a drop. I thought we were going to go down to 74 or lower. I could see that going lower. Take out the stops at 76. But I'm not really focusing on crude that much nowadays. But anyway, let's wait. And push the like button, guys, if you haven't done that already. Also subscribe. There's going to be a giveaway, not today, but if you subscribe, stay tuned. Then there's going to be a link provided. And yeah, NQ is just stuck here. NQ is stuck. Yeah, no, yeah, I just wanted to say that no news, guys, absolutely no news. There's gonna be an FOMC member speaking at 9 a.m. I think. Philip Jefferson. I don't know if that's gonna do anything for us or for the market. Ah, Camille. Careful there, careful. it's hard to tell if it's likely short or long. Look at this. We have targets both on the downside and on the upside. This is also a 5-minute gap, so it's really hard to say. Not sure. Yes, made higher high, might be bearish SMT, but so far we're bear and bullish sentiment. Yeah, 325 level has some orders resting above. Yeah, I feel like the 314 first stop should be imminent. I'm a little bit more bullish right now. Let me show you. I'm not saying it's gonna go up. That's not a rule, but look at this. On Friday, it tried to make a new high from that buy side liquidity at 351, which was an April 15 high. It didn't make it there and went down, took some liquidity, and now it's taking the stairs to go up. I'm just a little bit more bullish, that's all. That doesn't mean it's not gonna fall, but for me, it just feels like a bullish movement, slow movement, slowly grinding up the stairs. That's how I feel about it right now. I don't know. I haven't seen him this morning. Haven't seen him. I think he had a new video, but I haven't seen him. No. Oh, nice, Camille, you're out. Camille, you deserve an applause. Nice job. I wish I could tell the same, but it is technically a structure shift that we're seeing right now. But fair value gap here, right there. I don't know if I want to take it. Looks good to go for that 314. 95. The problem is the range. It's so tight. Look at that. Look at it. It's 94.75, and my stop would be around 92.75. 2 points. It's nothing. It's not worth to look at. I would like to see at least 5 to 8 point stop loss. That would be the bare minimum, which means I need like an 8-point take profit, but this is too tight for me. And if it breaks lower than 93, I would think that it would go down to 90. I don't like this entry. Hey, but hey, Tom, can you share with me the discount code? That was for BULENOX, I think, option 2. Yeah, sure. It's still up there if you see it on the upper right corner. BULENOX 90% off is Tom 50 on the 50K account and Tom 100 for the 100K account, and so on. Tom 50 for the option 2. If it's not working, then they might disable it. They used to do that if it's not working. But we are still in the idiot box. We are. We are. Look at that. That's why I didn't take that. We are in the box. I can smell India travel video throughout the screen. All countries. I want Switzerland, but expensive. Well, Switzerland is a little bit expensive, yeah. 300 solid resistance. It could poke through. Look at this. Equal highs. It might want to go through to go for that 5-minute gap. But, you know. Just saying that the BULENOX 90% discount is for lifetime for the option 2 accounts, 50K account, that is. Saying it's a lifetime discount. Also, Apex still has the 80% off lifetime. All right, everybody. You're still short? 285. Second target to 285 is your first. Let's see. Okay, that's reasonable. Down there. That's reasonable. Less than 10 minutes to market open. It's lifetime, yes. Yes. Right now, this sale is lifetime. For the option 2 accounts, 90%. 90% is only for the 50K. The 100K is 70 or 75%. You can get the 100K account option 2 end of day trailing. Again, end of day trailing 100K account for $65, I think. You know. Oh, great. Thank you, best DJ in town. Thanks you so much. Thank you for the support and everyone. Thank you. Spinning around doesn't want to come down, maybe. Yeah, I think we're definitely have to wait for that market open, guys. It's just, you know, no other way around it for now. I would not enter in such a slow morning to any trade this close before the London. I mean, I did that before, but then we all know how it went. It's playing around, yeah. Do you have a trade day code? Yes, it's Tom Sabo at trade day, all capital. You can see it down there in the description of the stream. If you click on the description, there should be a direct link with the code. I think they still have the 40% off with no activation, but it's case sensitive, I think. But go check it out. I'm gonna go with trade day too. This week I'm also trading with Take Profit Trader, which also has no activation fee right now. 50K account, only $102 if you use my code and links. Take Profit Trader, including the activation fee. So if you can pass under 30 days, then the activation is done. Should I rent or buy? Well, depending on some factors, how much money you have, or, you know, buying an apartment and rent it out is a good investment in Budapest. But just to buy an apartment to live in it, I think you could do something else with your money. Rent fees are absolutely super high in Budapest right now. Super expensive to rent an apartment right now in Budapest. Are the one hot, or do you look like Ukrainian? Babushka. I can tell you that Hungarian girls are super hot. Yeah. My girlfriend is not here with me right now, so she can't hear me. She can't hear me right now. Hungarian girls are super hot. Yeah. Definitely. I don't know how that happened over the years, over the centuries, you know. But they are. She's actually here now in chat. Busted. Oh no. I gotta go, guys. Hey everyone. Czech girls are hot too. Yeah, they are very hot as well. I heard that too, and I saw that too. So I'm not blind, guys. I see what I see, and I was in the Czech Republic quite a few times in the past years, and Czech girls are beautiful as well. I saw it too. Of course, of course. Czech girls are super hot. Absolutely. No goes for Blacksman. Why not? I think they do. I think they go for Blacksman. I saw it too and felt it. Okay. Oh. It's good to wait for the London Open, right? We can talk about anything, guys. On a nice morning, you know. What if there are, you know, lady viewers in the chat, you know? They're gonna think like, oh my god, these people are just weird. Voice chat. Let's go for the boys. Which reminds me, there's gonna be a new season of The Boys, right? Can't wait for the new season. I think it's very much one of the best superhero shows on television. 4 minutes, yeah. What is that show about? Dude, sounds like play a crypto. Let me tell you, if you haven't watched The Boys yet, I strongly recommend you watch it. That's actually about superheroes, but you know, the superheroes you see in that television series are actually, they're showing you the dark side of the heroes. How hero are they, you know? How much of a hero is really a superhero? Are they really good people or not? So actually, I love The Boys. Super great series. And I think they made a fantastic cast with that. The main characters, the main superheroes are actually degenerate, dark-souled, crazy-minded, mad people. And recommend a Budapest show. Well, Budapest show. Well, you have to look around in the center. There's quite a few places to visit. If you're looking for shows, I would suggest you, well, just the usual, you know. We have some nice museums and places to visit. And there used to be always some outside programs and shows in the city. But definitely, there are some good concerts. TV show. There's a TV show. It's not brand new. It's called Golden Life. It's called Golden Life. It's a Hungarian TV show on Budapest. It's actually a television series. Or if you want to look a real classic show, a television, a film, a movie about Budapest, go watch. It's called Control. I think it's available in 4 region languages too. It's called Control. It's an old movie. It's basically the whole movie is in the subway. It's about the people who are working on the subway. Those are the checking your ticket. What's it called? What them called? Anyway, I forgot. I can't speak. So it's called Control. It's an old movie. It's like 20 years old or something, but it's pretty much shows a very interesting side of Budapest. which is actually not really existing anymore, but it was existing in the 90s. All right, London Open. Let's see what happens. Come on, Enki, go down. Okay, it was wicking a little bit. What's happening? No, it will not go down there. Maybe only until 287. Look at this, guys. This price action is so far it's not good. I was hoping for more movement after the open, but not really the thing that I was expecting. Some good liquidity down there after the Sunday open, so it's not impossible to go down to the 268s or below the 270. But nothing so far. Still hovering in one place. All right. Hey, Peter. How you doing? I think it's headed right there. Yeah, could be. So far, as much as I can see, I mean, look at that. Nothing. If there would be a strong movement with the displacement in a certain direction, I would consider to jump in, but right now, Dominic, hey there. Good to see you, man. And thank you everyone for joining and watching the stream. Please push the like button and subscribe. There are going to be giveaways, not right now, but during the week, so don't miss it out. I'm working on the new application. Doing everyone's okay, Al? I'm doing okay, if you're asking me, and everyone else, I hope so. What's the Swiss number? I don't even know. Consumer climate minus 38. A little bit better than expected, I think. So yeah. You raise and do the best for your kids, only for them to come and say F you when they become adults. Oh well, I heard that from many parents over the years. Each point is 50 USD, right? On yes, exactly. Oops. What is happening? Okay. Do you guys still with me? OBS just, started to act weird. Is the stream still on? I just got an error message. Is it still on? Is it still on? It's still on. Okay. Good. All right. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I just got some error message from Windows Defender. I'm getting hacked. Yeah. Oh, there's not too many things that can get hacked here. So good luck with it. RVO shorts. Yeah. Let's see. What is happening? Para. Well, look at this. It's terrible. Terrible. Absolutely terrible. It could be just one of those sessions. So that's why I'm saying there. We should be heading to one of these gaps real soon. Ba-dum-bum-bum. 20 points away from that 5-minute gap. Still no entry. Still undecisive. Maybe we ain't gonna have any movement until New York. Who knows? So let's wait. Anyway, I'm gonna head out for a drink and use the bathroom. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. I'm back. Nothing is happening. Super exciting. Okay. Anyway. How do you do stop loss on trader weights? It's confusing. On trader weight, let me show you. I think I can log into trader weight. Okay, let me show you. I have a My Funded Futures account there. Just give me a second. Ba -ba -ba -ba. Should be. No, not this one. Not this one. Let me check. Should be able to log in here. If all right. Oh, I can't because this was the funded account. Anyway, okay, but actually I can demonstrate it because this account, this is the one I blown on TraderWeight. But anyway, I can still show you. So on TraderWeight, if you're in a sell, let me see if you can see it correctly. Yeah. Yeah. So for example here, this is micro Nasdaq, but who cares? So you just click left mouse button. If you're in a sell, left mouse button and buy stop. But I can't because this account is done. But you just click on buy stop, left mouse button, buy stop. And if your sell limit, just left mouse button, sell stop. If you sell entry or stop loss can be placed. Yeah, and if it's placed, you can move it on the right side here once it's placed. So it's very simple. It's actually TraderWeight is very user friendly. I think it's very user friendly. So anyway, just left click and it's super easy. Yeah, I think I will do. I think I do a video about that. All right, seems like we might be shifting lower. If we break the 89, that would be interesting. Crypto Panda, good morning. Good morning, Crypto Panda. I want a shift. Maybe now. Okay, it's getting there. It's just a wick on the 32nd. Let's see. Maybe this is the one that we were waiting for. Okay, we have the market structure shift, guys, on the 32nd. Should we go for it or not? Can I actually place a... Okay, I can. All right, we're gonna jump in to a sell limit order. And it's going down without us. Nice. All right. Great. Great. It did not go back to reprice that level. Not just yet. I wanted to see this level repriced. And this is typically... They don't want us to have a free ride here. It's just gonna go without us. Oh man. Alright, no worries. No worries. Wait for the next one. Wait for the next one. Okay, so this is the next entry. Look at this, no retracement at all. Absolutely, it's just playing mind tricks. Okay, now we're filled. Oh man, I'm gonna tell you why I don't like this. 68. I'm only going to go to 75.50 with this one. The reason is that we have volume imbalance or unbalanced price range up there. That's why I don't like it. Oh man. Lorenzo, good morning. Now back to shorts, yeah. Good morning, Anna. First target reach, but without me. I do not trust my... Hey, it's happens to everyone. Rope style. This has tested my patience today. So slow. Yeah, it is. It is slow. And it can still go up to reprice the 90s. Oh, thank you for the subscription, Felix Erin. Thank you so much for subscribing. That is so awesome. Thank you. Oh, we just reached the 1900 subscribers. 1900, guys. 100 away from 2K. Thank you, everyone, for the support. Oh, G-Card, I do need you. You need me. I need you too. I do. I really do. CPI and PPI this week, maybe lazy. Yeah. Thanks again for the sub. Good morning, DJ Medrek. Hey, welcome. Good for you, Tom. Why is it good for me? G-Card, I need you too. I need every one of you. More subs. Oh well, I'm actually very happy. We're around 100 away from the 2K, so that is awesome. You know, last year when I was having 300 and 400 subs, I was still very, very happy, and now here we are. Good morning. Nice vlog. Thank you. Thank you, Gui. Well, it was spontaneous, so nothing extra. We wanted to go in the center of Budapest because I don't live in Budapest, but it was already nighttime, so we decided to go home a little bit earlier. But anyway, it was just spontaneous. I didn't have my what's that called, gimbal or whatever, so I just took my phone and took a few shots here and there. That's it. Nothing extra. We were having a great time. Tom and the voice. Oh yeah. Welcome to the stream, everyone. Livingston. What's this woman lurk? Tom is awesome. Oh, thank you, ladies. I do appreciate that, and I must say that you know, my OnlyFans page is in the works, and hope to talk to you, ladies. Oh my God, I have to delete this stream now. Anyway, everyone is welcome, so stay tuned. You have to stay on now till America Open. I think I have to. You know, I want to do like a Methodical Man did that. Should I do a 12-hour or 14-hour stream? It's gonna be a little bit long. I don't know. Man, this trade is not looking too good right now. Okay, shifting, guys. Not looking good. Repricing this gap right here. Last line of defense. I have a feeling that we could be breaking higher. Why? Because we have this volume imbalance up there at 93, just below my stop. Darn it. It feels like if this is a structure shift, then we'll definitely have to go for that 14 area. Don't panic. I'm not panicking. I'm not. This is just an evaluation account, so I'm not taking trades on a funded account at this time and this day. So it looks good. Yeah, we have some good targets down there. If you check the Sunday open, we have this displacement here. We have the VWAP 5-minute gap down there. So who knows? Could be good. I just want to get out early. That's why I put my TP at 75.50. I want to get out before it breaks those levels. That would be enough for me. Why not? Why not? I'm using TOPSTEP X for the first time, and it's really bad. I like made $30 and I got only $5 profit. It doesn't make sense. I don't really know how it goes, Anna, because I never use TOPSTEP X because as I told you guys, I'm copy trading with Quant Tower and I use rhythmic connection most of the time. But I mean, I guess if there is a glitch or something, I was being told that there is no commission on TOPSTEP X, but there is a cleanup fee, which I don't know. It's almost like having a commission, but it's something else. I don't know the details about the cleanup fee. So many bugs. I heard that they still having some bugs, but also they said, and guys, it's a brand new platform. Most likely there are going to be some glitches and bugs, right? So it happens. It's in the cards. They said they're going to fix it. Use limit orders instead of market orders with no slip. Yeah, if you can go with limit orders, if you can, it's better. Yeah, go with limit order. Market orders might be a little bit glitched of slippage. I'm not sure. Again, I'm sticking with Rhythmic and Quant Hour for now. Join bid, join ask. Okay, there you go. You can still get slippage, yes. With limit order, you can still get slippage. Maybe you get a slightly better entry than with the market order. Not sure. Yeah. Out of shorts again. Will not go down to 270. Well, yeah, it can just stay here in this area. That's why I'm a little bit concerned about the outcome, but I accepted my risk here. So what can I say? If it takes one more dip down there, which it's not, then maybe I should be putting the stop a little bit tighter, but now it seems like it just wants to shift. One thing I can do is after it makes a clean shift to the upside, I can maybe close it manually. This one is going to be a shift, unfortunately, on the 30-second. Also on the 1 minute. Damn it. I don't like this. This is the shift to the upside. Okay. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Looking at the 15-minute and the 5-minute too. Yeah, I feel like it will go. There's a volume imbalance up here. Yeah. Don't like it. I might close it. Okay, closed it. And I might even thinking to jump into a long if it goes down here. Just not sure. I'm just not sure. They're not ready for trade away. Yeah. Short again, 290. I'm a little bit confused now, to be honest. I'm actually thinking to go long for that. For that volume imbalance at the first place, and then breach the 300 if it would spike lower. But it doesn't really want to right now. It took 4, okay, 5. Okay, so this is still within my risk tolerance. 62. No. All right. Changed my decision. To go long here. Oh, Camille, we're fading each other. What is happening? OT, excellent, kind of acting weird. Yeah. Oh man. Well, as usual, it's London and Monday for me. Well, it was fitting to my criteria. It had a shift. It had the trend changing, fair value gap. We have the targets up there, but now it's just not doing it. Is there a scalp tracer? Well, it seems like now it wants to take me out. So if you want to scalp, I can say you can go for breaking off 82 to my stop loss. What a shame. I thought we were gonna go higher. I thought this was just a fake out, and that's why I jumped in. So we have relative equal lows at 300. Thought that it's gonna go there, but it's not. Yeah, this looks like going down. We have this Sunday opening gap right down there. I know it looks a little bit weird, but it's down there at 68.75, very close. Oh man. Well, these are the decisions we have to face. I have to face. Okay, what else? What else is happening? Alright guys, please push the like button and subscribe. We're gonna have some giveaways during the week, don't miss it. Also, today is the last day of the BULENOX 90% sale from option 2 accounts and TOPSTEP X for $19. So $18 for a 50k end of day account at BULENOX, and lifetime, not just for the first month, it's lifetime discount. So go check it out with Tom50. The codes are up there or in the description. Stack him up. I bought as well. I think in the New York session they're gonna change the codes. Today is the last day. Okay. Yeah, not fast enough. The 300 was really a strong resistance level. I don't know if they want to try to push once more, but well, let's see. Okay, nothing special so far. Out break even. Break even is a winning trade, by the way, Camille. that's a winning trade. It's a scalping session. If not, can get chopped up. Exactly. Look at this move. I don't know what the hell is going on here. Can't make this up. Just looking for that gap up. I mean, yeah, this one. Yeah, this is repricing this small liquidity void. Question is if it's going to drop from here or just go up again. Yeah, break even is a good trade. Break even, you know, if it's part of your edge, your strategy, then break even, exiting with break even is a winning trade, actually. Premium zone for several hours and it must go down. Yeah, I think I agree with you. You're short. No problem. You don't have to be sorry. You don't have to. I think you're going to succeed more than me because, oh man, I'm actually thinking to close this one too. Manually. There you go. Okay, I closed it. I'm out and down $100 on this evaluation account. No orders. Okay. Don't like this. 2 trades, 2 losses. And so far, I think the 68 is in the crosshair. If I jump in now, it would be chasing price. So I'm going to be waiting for a proper retracement. Yeah, I mean, look at that. It's I definitely made a good call here, but I mean, not that good. I'm gonna wait. Look at it, 68, 78. It would be nice to jump in for a short, really, but no point of entry. Nowhere. The only point would be at 84, but it's not a clean entry. $84. So I'm not going to jump in. Checking some other accounts. Okay, look at that. Which account should I go on with? I have a new account as well. Maybe this one? I don't know. There was a small fair value gap here on the 32nd. That has been repriced, but we have unbalanced price range as well for the shorts. Decision point at 270. Okay. Well, the only way to get my hands on the X5 monthly chart is to get the best of the hourly play. Yeah. Wait for I'm waiting for a setup. I'm waiting for actually this was almost perfect setup for me. And I'm still looking for that 68. Yeah, down there. So yeah, no. I'm not going to force anything. Actually, there is a brand new account evaluation. I might gonna take something on that. I'm not going to abuse this previous one. This one that you guys see right now is a funded account. I have $498 in profit, but I'm not gonna take a trade on this. This is just random price changes. Yeah, it's not tradable. As I said, down here we have this 5-minute gap from Sunday below 70s. Could it be going down there? I don't know. Seems like it wants to. Come on. What is gonna happen here? Oh man, this is just stopped again. I don't know. 68, actually below the 70 would be the Sunday gap, but no. It's just not moving. Told you made short. Yeah. Gaurav, hey there. Hello. Hello there. How was your weekend, Gaurav? Oh, you're finished with the Monday already. Yeah, should be more volume this week. Should be more. Nice, nice one. Hope you had some good trades last week as well. All right. Price exchange, I'm trusting buying on pullbacks. Yeah, that could be a good good idea. I was looking at those gaps up there too. If this one is not going to go down, we could be targeting those highs at 314 and higher. ESS critical level 5250. Okay. Do 0305 for contracts, sell around. You lose, I owe you a sell now. Don't worry about it, Camille. Sell around 85. The power of the dollar, yeah. Or I think I will get some more BULENOX. Nice. Yeah, I mean it's really a good price right now and a good deal for the end of day trading account and lifetime. So not just for the first month, but until you pass. Even if you blow the account, you keep the subscription, you will still have a 50K account for $18 upfront. So that's a good deal. Not much is moving right now. Also, My Funded Futures gives you a 30% off deal if you're registering as a brand new customer. And the expert account, which includes the activation fee and no consistency rule, no withdrawal caps, you can get the expert account for $115. It's still going. Here it is, guys. $115 if you're registering as a brand new customer. Your first purchase, if you use my code, 30% off from the expert accounts. No activation fee. I mean, there is, but it's included in the price. Okay. No consistency, no withdrawal cap. That's it. And thank you for supporting if anyone is using my codes. What else do we have here? Nothing is moving that much, actually. It's up there. No volume again. No volume. I don't know why. I thought that it's just gonna, you know, go straight down there very quickly below the 70s. We have the VWAP there. Alright guys, let's push the like button, guys. If you can, help out the stream and push the like button. That really is really good for the channel, for the stream. If you could push a like, I would greatly appreciate that. Thank you so much. Alright, looks like slowly, but we're pushing higher. We are pushing higher, right? Yeah, we are. Pretty much looks like it. So let's see what it does here. It made a structure shift in this area. Maybe it will try to attempt once more to go above 300. How about that? Gaps here. What target could it go for? I think it can go for the 297. I don't know. Do I have a... I think I might have to open a different account here. Looking for a short. There's equal highs all over above, yeah, on the 1 minute. Yeah, I saw those equal highs. And I'm curious what can happen at this point. Maybe I'll take a trade on a different account. Maybe on the BULENOX account. Okay. Okay, maybe on this account I will take a trade. Who knows? I'm gonna put a limit order right here. Just a limit order. Okay, still going. Look at this. Up to 93 without any retracement. It's gonna go through the 300. Equal highs at 300. What a move. What a move. The train has left the station officially. But I have a feeling that if it goes, then it can easily go, well, to try to go for the 300 again. Relative equal highs at 300. And I'm just not sure what to do with this. I'm going to change it to this one. So this is a new account. If I'm going to jump in, let's wait for the candles close. Okay. Hey, good morning, Mary. I went exactly 05 level from Asia equilibrium data high. Yeah. I'm still not in the trade on this one. It's for micro. Relative equal highs are up there. Interesting level at 300. Oh, and this is the 1 minute chart. I wanted to go to the 30-second right here. Okay. Got tagged. Let's see. Is it good for a scalp or not? Just a scalp trade. Nothing special. Tight stop. Maybe down a little bit down here is 50. Yeah. Let's go for 300. Try to scalp it if we can. If not, then not. Yeah, I like the 300. Those equal highs are looking good, but just hard to say at this point. Boss, hey there, hello. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, I like to think that we're gonna go for the 300 because it's not just about the 300. It's about the fair value gap at the 5 minute at 314. So that 300 would need to be going through. I have FOMO in longs there. I'm placing a trade and leaving the desk. Just place the stop loss there, Buzz. Place the stop loss. Let's see if it plays off. You know, you can play some longs, but don't go all in, okay? So if you lose this trade, if you lose this one, it's just another one. Remove forward. We move on to the next one, right? Like just another day in the office. This is just a one-to-one scalp for me. I'm risking like 50 bucks on this account, so I'm okay with it. I thought that the 300 is gonna be a good target now that it sharply went up there. So we could be seeing some high resistance as we're getting closer to 300 again. Could also take some time. Oh, that's good. 3 micro max, then you're fine. You're fine. That's a manageable trade even if you lose it. I mean, that's not the end of the world. End of the world as we know it. Okay. Seems like it's getting a hard time pushing through there. So if we're going lower again, then I don't even know. I don't know. Then the only target would be this gap, which we were talking about earlier. You always lose on Nasdaq. No way. That big 5 minute candle inverse 2 fair value gaps. It did? Let's check it. Oh yeah. Look at that. Interesting. Interesting. Sticking to micros until more PS. Well, that's the strategy. Then that's what I want to follow as well. Sticking with micros, build up slowly with micros, and on the evaluation accounts, I can fool around a little bit more. I can do much more aggressive trades, but it's Monday and it's London session, so I'm definitely not touching funded accounts this morning. 15-minute fair value gap above equal highs and Asia high. Well, that's good to know. All right, let's see. Is it gonna play off or not? I mean, for Nasdaq, 5 points is not a huge deal, especially when it comes to equal highs. Let's see what it wants. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. There are some good targets up there, but I'm still talking about the 314 area. So 314.75 actually. 314.75 as a 5-minute gap. Judah swing possibly. Could be. Could be. Could be. Excuse me. So anyone of you guys are new here, I'll be streaming in New York sessions as well. Every day I'm here in London and New York, building up slowly the accounts, the payouts, and that's it. And if you would like to join to future giveaways and some good stuff, subscribe to the channel, push the like button, and if you would like to support the journey, please use my links and codes. Is the activation fee for 300K is the same as a 50K on Apex? No, it's not. Let me show you. Activation fee. Well, if you have a monthly payment, then it's different. If I were having a 300K account, so the activation fee at Apex for a 300K account is $340. But you can choose the monthly fee of $85. So if I would be having a 300K account, I might go with the $85 monthly payment, because, you know, this is like 4 months here, more than 4 months here, the 340. And let's face it, in 4 months you should be able to get some money out from a 300K account. So I would go with the monthly in this case. You know, that's how I would do it, but personal preference. Yeah, that's another thing. Oh, I think I'm out from the trade. I think I'm out, right? Man, yes, I'm out. What a shame. So I got stopped out from this. Yeah, $60. It happens. So now it seems like it might want to go lower. How about that? So what was the target there? It was down at 60s, below the 60s. Sorry, 70s. Yeah, somewhere below the 70s. Interesting. Back to the Sunday open, or to that fair value gap down there. Anyway, Not really something I wanted to see in this one. You're welcome. 270. I'm gonna mark it up there. The 270 level. Where is it? It's down there. Just for reference. No retracement so far. Does look like it want to go into that gap. Might try to scalp it, but I think it's just not my morning in London right now. Good thing I'm only on evaluation accounts at the moment. So, okay, but there's no structure shift. That's my problem. Actually, there is. I don't know. Should I scalp it? Should I not? I don't know. I don't know. I don't like it. Could be a seek and destroy pattern. We never know. Hard to deal with, hard to decide. Maybe with the smaller size, I can try to go for the 70s. But this is just not good. This is just feels like chasing trades on this particular account. So I don't really like it. So I want to get out at 70.50 if it drops down to this fair value gap. The problem is that it swept some liquidity here already. So if it wants to continue higher to take out the relative equal highs, then I think it will. Buy low, sell high. Yeah. On a premium downtrend. Yeah, they're keeping it in a 20-point range. I just don't like it. So this will be the second trade for this account, and I don't want to have like more than 2 trades on any single evaluation accounts, and this would be I would be just have to observe what's happening. I'm not risking a lot, like $50 or $60, but I really want to protect these accounts as much as possible. Look at Bookmap. I can check on Bookmap, but look at that. It's still going for the 300. Look at that dirty move. I think it's Bookmap. Let's check the NQ futures. Oh yeah, lots of orders around 300 again, and also both raise. And I've already overtraded a little bit, so I don't really like this area. Now it feels like it could be pushing for the 300 again. I don't know. Orders in both directions. Yeah. I'm looking for some fair value gaps or anything. Still like the 314 up there. Could try to push it once more, but I just took this one. And I might have to close it. I can see opportunities in gold and oil at the moment. Oh yeah. Don't build in the middle. Yeah. Might have to close it. Alright, I'm closing it. I'm closing it. I don't want to sit in this one. Too many losses in this morning, guys. And I lost 100 on this account too. I don't really want to risk more. And it's a new account. I don't want to be in a drawdown that much. Might want to try to go for the 300 again. But if it goes through, then let me tell you that the 314 is absolutely level. Only 300. Oh. I do trade Nasdaq now. I'm trading, I was trying to scalp according, actually this wasn't really a good entry. So I broke my rules there. Here it was actually, which one was it? I had a good entry on this. Went down again. I'm just chopping myself up, so it's not a good idea to trade like this. This is just a chop fest. And I don't want to be in it. That's why I closed the trade down on this new account too. All right, might go down again. Do 70 might be an area that it wants to go. Finally. And I closed it. No, I messed it up, guys. I messed it up big time. Wide choppy ranges, yeah. Closed the trade earlier than I should have, and that's what happens. Oh, I'm so glad I'm not funded. I'm not trading funded accounts this morning. This would have messed up my whole day. Ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. I'm at to lose a 500. Well, exit the trade, Anna. Don't push it. Yes, exactly, Cerbertanus. I talked myself out of a good trade. Exactly. That is why it's a mental game. I talked myself out of a good short, and now it's going for my original target. Very, very bad mistake. It's not because of the profit or anything, but you know, the way I managed it, it's very bad. Anyway, I think this one should be going for the 70 for now. And I don't know what's going to happen after that, but could be repricing that gap. Maybe 70.50, I don't know. Let's look at least let's follow this one through. If this is gonna take that 270, maybe. I'm just curious if it's going to take that level or not. Seems like it wants to. Seemed like it was to go for it. No, maybe not. Man, it was close. I thought it's gonna drop. Yeah, but I think it will. It has to. It has to. My target is 300, 18,000. Yeah, I mean, it still looks good. The 18,300. You will know what to do after it reaches 870 because price will tell you. Yeah. I mean 270. Yeah. Breathe a word of encouragement late in the midnight hour. Yeah. Well, you know, if you're just staying on the sidelines and still study price action, that could be really helpful at these times. On the 32nd, there is some unbalanced price range here. This area. So I'm guessing price wants to go there, reprice it, and then we will see if we have a drop or not. Technically, that would be enough for a shift. I mean, to enter here. because this is a shift here at 285, 286, sorry, on the 30-second. Continue down. Price goes into this range, repricing it, then goes down to 270. That could be a level. So let's see. This is a very tricky area. Yeah, I mean, I'm watching the trade entries on the 5, 15 minute and possible targets. So I just, the targets. I was just looking for entries on small time frame, but I agree. I still do like this 300 level up there. Went into that gap. Still hovering there, nothing special. Orders are set. Set and forget, and that's how everyone should do it actually. Set and forget. You know, leave the screen, go on with the day. Well, I don't know. For now, it's. I mean, I think I'm 99% sure I'm not going to take more trades. I had losses on my funded futures evaluation and this BULENOX account. I don't really want to drag them all the way down to the mud because I'm going to chop myself up in this London session. So I really have no idea what it wants to do. We're ranging. This could continue all the way until the New York session like this. So I'm not really into this move. And yeah, there's an unmitigated M1 order block at 2. Perhaps that will use to maybe. That's the problem. Like, we're just guessing on the 1 minute chart, because if you look at the 5 and the 15, there's nothing. It's absolutely untradeable. Absolutely. The 15 minute is garbage. Look at the 5 minute, total garbage. Absolute BS. Not tradable. So I don't think I'm gonna wait for any setup in this London session. It's just not worth it. So guys, I think this is it for my session in London. I'll be back in New York, and hopefully we'll be having some more fun than this. Again, that's it. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Push the like button and use some discount codes to help out the stream if you can. I think this is it for me now. I'll be coming back in the New York session, and there will be some giveaways during the week, so join later. Thank you so much for everyone for watching. This wasn't a good session for me, I agree, but it is what it is. Thanks again, and see you guys in the New York session. Okay, have a great morning, evening, night. You know, see you guys next time. Cheers, everybody.